Prepare yourself for an exhilarating journey as we venture into the realm of extraordinary vehicles. These unconventional inventions will challenge your preconceived notions of what a vehicle should look like. Welcome to Gadget Galaxy, our gadget-filled corner of the internet. Get ready to dive into a world of cutting-edge technology, mind-blowing inventions, and must-have accessories. Gatsby X. Behold the Gatsby X, a tribute to the iconic Ford Model T from the 1920s. Despite its vintage appearance, this scooter offers all the modern features required for a smooth ride. With a weight capacity of up to 440 pounds and a range of up to 31 miles, it can transport you anywhere you need to go. Additionally, it can reach speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, allowing you to travel in style. The scooter's adjustable swivel seat ensures comfort and easy access, while the lockable storage compartment keeps your belongings secure on the road. The Gatsby X is priced at around $4,800. Kwiggle Folding Bike. Today, bicycles are commonly used for transportation, but finding parking spaces for them remains a significant challenge. However, there is a unique bicycle called the Kwiggle that may seem unrideable at first glance. Yet, riders can effortlessly mount it and maintain perfect posture. This bike features a low-down tube, small 12-inch wheels, and an adjustable seat connected to a flexible arm instead of a traditional seat post. Despite its appearance, it can support up to 220 pounds of weight. When you reach your destination, simply fold it up. The Kwiggle is one of the smallest folding bikes in the world, measuring 22 by 15 by 10 inches. Its inventor, Carson Batten, believes that the bike's ergonomic design allows riders to easily cover long distances. He himself has ridden the Kwiggle on a 186-mile trip in the Netherlands and a 9-mile ride through the Alps, proving its reliability. The price of this bike is approximately $1,800. Peugeot City Toyz. Peugeot has introduced yet another concept, a scooter adorned with an array of brightly colored plastic balls to make it even more eye-catching. Unfortunately, or perhaps fortunately, this vehicle did not progress beyond the concept stage and was not produced. Cab Bike Hawk. This vehicle bears a striking resemblance to the iconic 1937 Mercedes W125, but it's not a car, it's a velo bike. So, stay calm and start pedaling. If you desire an extra boost, the Pedelecs drive option allows you to effortlessly tackle inclines. Not only will you turn heads, but attention is guaranteed. The price for this reminiscent beauty is $5,500. Venom Drift Trike Gang. If you're seeking an adventurous ride, the Drift Trike Gang Bat Drifter is a game changer. Starting at $2,150, this trike packs a punch with its 6.5 horsepower engine, capable of reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. The air-cooled cooling system and smooth shaft transmission ensure a comfortable drifting experience. The Fat Drifter itself is a style statement, boasting a 26-inch front wheel and go-kart tires at the rear, providing an unmatched drifting experience. So, go ahead and immerse yourself in this thrilling ride, but remember to drift responsibly. Blaster Citycoco One. Take a look at that scooter. It appears quite formidable with its imposing wheels. While it may resemble something fit for Monster Jam, the Blaster Citycoco One is still an impressive scooter in its own right. With its large wheels and self-balancing technology, this scooter offers exceptional stability. The motor is powerful, ranging from 1,200 watts to 1,500 watts peak power, yet the aluminum frame keeps it lightweight, ensuring efficient power usage. On a full charge, the blaster Citycoco One can travel up to 38 miles, and starting it is as simple as using a magnetic card. The price for this robust scooter is approximately $3,300. Babboe Pro Trike XL. Many may question the necessity of cargo bikes, but they offer a fantastic alternative to the polluting small vans commonly seen in city centers. Moreover, they are perfect for making deliveries on the last mile. Take a look at the Babboe Pro Trike. It boasts exceptional stability with its two front wheels and is easy to balance. The transport box attached to it has an astounding volume of 238 gallons and can carry up to 220 pounds. With a powerful 500 watt-hour battery that charges in just 4 to 6 hours, you can expect a travel range of 30 to 45 miles on a single charge. The price for this versatile cargo trike is approximately $7,000. Dragonfly Hyperscooter. At first glance, the Dragonfly may seem like a four-wheeled scooter, but it is, in fact, a hyperscooter. Surprisingly lightweight at less than 40 pounds, it can achieve speeds of 25 miles per hour, thanks to its powerful battery and dual motors. The manufacturer claims a range of up to 50 miles for this vehicle. Equipped with four-wheel steering and a dual adjustable wishbone suspension, the Dragonfly delivers stiffness and the ability to traverse off-road terrain. It features a 3.5-inch digital display that shows various information, including speed, trip range, ride mode, and battery status. With connectivity to smartphones through an app, twin headlights, front and rear LED pulsing turn signals, and a brake light, this scooter offers comprehensive features. Pre-orders for this impressive scooter start at $4,000. Clevon One. For those seeking innovation in the transportation of goods, meet Clevon One, an autonomous robot carrier that revolutionizes how businesses transport their products. This lightweight and electric robot is 5 times more efficient than traditional delivery vehicles. Equipped with advanced sensors and state-of-the-art teleoperation technology, it can be remotely monitored and controlled, reducing the need for a dedicated driver and addressing driver shortages. You can choose between delivering goods as they are or placing them in a cargo box or partial locker. Clevon One offers a new approach to efficient and automated delivery solutions. And that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video. Thanks for watching Gadget Galaxy, and we'll see you next time with more exciting gadgets.